Ekũĩrwo atandatũ na arĩa mang'etheirwo nĩ cira wa wĩici wa kĩahinya na ũrĩa ũkuruhanĩtie gĩkuũ kĩa ũrĩa warĩ mũmbunge wa tene George Muchai nĩ manyitĩkanĩte na mahĩtia ma gũtabania magũtabania gĩko gĩkĩ thĩinĩ wa igoti riugĩte atĩ nĩ rĩiganĩire wega na ũira mwena wa thitango na ũrĩa ũkuruhanĩtie atandatũ acio na ciĩko icio.
The prosecution is represented by Mr. Mumanyi, who is also present in court.
Good morning, Your Honor. Morning.
The matter is coming up for judgment, Your Honor. We are ready to take the judgment.
Oh, okay.
The first, second, third, and fourth accused persons are each guilty of each of counts numbers 1, 2, and 3 herein before first mentioned, and each of the said first, second, third, and fourth accused persons is each convicted of each of the said first, second, and third counts. B, each of the fifth, sixth, and seventh accused persons is not guilty of each of the said counts numbers 1, 2, and 3, and is each acquitted of the said counts numbers 1, 2, and 3.